Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SMCAT. Today we'll show you how to draw or design a door as you see on the screen. I draw and I keep the dimension as it is for easy understanding, especially for beginners. If you see the construction of the door, you can see from the bottom line to the design. This is 10 centimeter. The design itself is 50 centimeter. Then between these two design, it is 20 centimeter. And from this corner to this corner, it is 140 centimeter. The full height of this sideline it is 220 centimeter, and with the arc the middle section height 250 centimeter. From this corner line to this design like this 10 centimeter, then here is 80, then 5 centimeter. If you look to the circle, this circle is diameter is 30. Here is the radius is 30. Here also the radius is 60, and this one radius is 15. This design we will draw with the SP line, which I will show you later on. Now we'll start with the bottom line first, which will be as a total 90 centimeter. So we'll draw one line, which will be 90 centimeter, 90. Then this side line, which is 220 centimeter. And we will draw now the middle line, which will be 250 centimeter. Now we will take some offset. This two offset is 10 centimeter from here to here and from here to here, and this is 5 centimeter. So I will take offset first with the 10 centimeter, which will be like this from bottom and from the side line, and 5 centimeter from the middle line. Now again more offset with the 50 units for this design, and again one more offset with the 20 units or 20 centimeter like this. Now we will get this internal offset. I just keep it all similar with the 2 centimeter. You can just make it increase or decrease depending on your design, but here I make it all as a uniform 2 centimeter, which is like this here. Now we will do some trimming job to clean the area. One, I'll extend this line because I need to trim this section like this. Okay. Now we will draw the circles. I will just draw here the midline to get the center of this design. So from the center, I will draw one circle, which will be here is a total diameter is 30, so the radius will be 15. Here one more. This is will be 30. Another one from this midline, we will take it, which is 60. And the last one, which is we also here from the middle, that is 15. Now again offset with 2 units or 2 centimeter to the center section, center side for all the circles. I'll delete this. Now I will do again some trimming job here. We will trim here like this, and here also like this. Here I will trim this section, and the balance we will delete, which we don't need. After that, we will delete it. So now this section we don't need at all. We delete this. Here also delete. This will also delete, and this will be as remain as a full circle. Now we will just draw this design. To draw this one, we have command sp line, sp line. With the sp line, you have to first close the ortho, and you can draw with like similar to multiple arcs. You can make any design with the sp line, and when you come to the end here, just click enter. Then again enter, it will start again. Again from here, enter, one more. Here I will just close it. Depending on you, you want to continue like this, or here just I draw this four, and I will do some. I will make it as a mirror. So on the middle section, I'll mirror it like this. You can see it is almost similar. It is different than design which I make it before, but you can see also it looks good. Okay. Now we will mirror this full section again like this. Enter. And now we will top side we will make with the arc from here, here, and again here. Okay. Now we'll take one offset with the 10 units because this offset is 10 units. So I just want to keep the same, and one more offset with the 2 units, which will be down to here. Okay. And again, I will trim these sides, which is no need. So now you can do your coloring or whatever you want. You can make any uh, more design also according to this, just only for your understanding how you can draw or how you can design. So I hope you like this and you learn something from here. See you in next tutorial. Thank you and thanks for watching.